Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, and in today's video it's going to be a Canva resume tutorial. So you may be wondering how you can get and design a resume like this for yourself, with your image, your name, your position, and a lot more about you. And if you zoom in, you can get more features. I believe you might not have seen some of the smaller text. All right, so welcome back and let's get into it. So, resumes are really easy to create. Canva makes it much easier, especially when you have an account. So, please sign up for an account, or rather, sign into your existing Canva account and either upgrade to premium or make use of the free options because there are free resume templates. Like I usually say, templates are cheat sheets that are created by the people on Canva, that's the Canva contributors, who give out these templates that you can easily edit and use for work. All right, so how do you go about creating your resume? You can go from scratch. You can actually go from scratch, entering all of this. Let's head back to this. Entering all of this elements, all the text bodies, all the different colors, and everything. You can actually, create something like this from scratch, but it's more advised, or it's easier to use the existing templates. So you can go about creating a template like this by just heading back to Canva, clicking on create, and then entering your custom size. So head over to custom size here, and then you should be able to enter the custom size for this image, which is usually 1080 by 1350, or you could go 1080 by 2160 if you need something longer. All right, so all you need to do now, if you want to enjoy the templates that are in abundance for Canva, is from the home section, just head over to home, click on template at the top, and then type in resume. You may be met with other templates that do not match what you need, like a vision board or a portfolio, or a grid plan, just different things. This looks like a really really good template you can try out. It's a beige modern UGC content creator resume. So you could simply use something like this. Just have your image highlighted here. All you need to do is go ahead and click on customize this template. So when you click on customize this template, it's going to open up in a new tab like this, giving you countless opportunities to edit. So let's say you've opened up a template and you want to make it yours. You want to make it into something that would represent you. Depending on what role you are holding in real life, you could simply enter that into this little box here. So let's say you're a representative instead of a sales representative, and your name isn't Connor. Let's say your name is let's say your name is Ronaldo, and for the summary, for parts of the template that you can't actually see, you can use the slider at the bottom here to easily zoom in and edit this. So it says I'm a sales representative, that is a professional who initializes and manages relationships with customers. They serve as the point of contact, and some other extra info. So you can just double click on it and select everything and just delete and just type in something fun. All right, you could have something like this here, and then just go about expanding the text. So you could expand the text as much as you want. We could turn it into 122, and it's quite big, but you can lower it so it you know fits into what you're trying to do on the platform, and then straighten it out so it can fall into place. All right, so like I said, you can always edit your text. You can always edit the elements in Canva. You can even head over to the Elements Hub and add shapes. So if you want to add shapes, give yourself a black heart up here, you can do it by heading into shapes. And once you've clicked on shape, just go ahead and search for an element, and you could search for a heart. and go ahead and click on add a shape, and it's going to go ahead and add that shape onto your canvas. Or you could go with basic shapes like triangles and the rest. All right, so we've added the yellow heart. Let's make it black and then minimize and then plant it where you need it. And once you reduce this, voila, we have a edited template. So that's basically what you can do. Just open up a template, edit it as much as you need to, add whatever elements you need to add whatever shapes. You could change the color scheme of everything, make the color scheme into colors like purple, blue, red, gray, any color that you fancy. You could even have it as a gradient. So where everything is set to ash, just click on change all and everything is going to be a gradient. So let's turn this into a gradient and voila. We can also turn this into a gradient. That's the background. We can turn it into a gradient, just make everything a gradient and boom. So guys, that's how you can easily go about this. Comment down below if you have any questions. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you.